Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? Like this video, like last time, we're gonna jump right into it. I already have my foundation on and I blended out my highlight, and what you guys are seeing is where I placed my Sacha Buttercup, and I pushed that product into my skin because that diminishes the possibility of you getting flashback. Because you all know we left flashback back in 2015, 2010. We don't do that no more. We're not walking out looking ghosty. So I pushed that into my skin because that removes some of the excess product that I may have placed on my face when I first put the powder on. So after blending my contour out, I go back with a different sponge to try to remove any other excess powder that I may have left. After all that, I take this powder from Radiance. It's not a finishing powder, but it works nonetheless, and I put that in the areas that I contoured in, because I'm gonna set my whole face with a powder that's from my shade, and I still want my contour to come through. We are looking all types of crazy, but honestly guys, I'm telling you, this finishing step really brings the whole thing together. You guys can see, after I put that finishing powder on my face, everything comes together, everything's blended. It's like, who this is a whole new person.
It's obvious.
And I'm going to let's look at it one more time. You guys see it's blended because I put that finishing powder on my face. Versus the side I haven't done anything to, and you guys can see the harsh demarcation between the highlight. You don't want to walk out like that. Don't do it, sis. Don't. Okay. That's really it, y'all. Like, I take these steps and I've never gotten flashback. I never look ashy. It's not cakey. I know it looks like a lot of powder, but it really isn't. Thank you guys for stopping by. Make sure y'all subscribe. Click that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.